In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a car key to the Apple Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. While it is possible for you to add a digital car key to the Apple Wallet, there are going to be a lot of steps involved. First, you need to check the compatibility. It's very important that you do your own research because only some specific models of vehicles will allow you to generate and add a digital car key to your Apple Wallet. So I recommend that you do your own research. You can look for car key digital and then Apple plus the model of your car on Google and see the results. And most of the time, it's also going to be included in the manual or if you have the mobile app for your specific car's manufacturer. Now, once this is done, the next thing that you have to check is the iPhone or Apple Watch version that you have. You are going to need an iPhone XR or later, or an Apple Watch Series 5 or later. Ensure that your devices are up to date running the latest version of iOS and watchOS. Next, like I said, go over to the car manufacturer app. This process must be done through the car manufacturer's app 90% of the time. You can also check some emails or text messages from the car manufacturer, and sometimes you will have instructions on how to set up the key. In this example that I'm going to show you on screen, inside of the app you will have the option to set up a digital car key. So from the home menu of this app, you will be able to choose digital car key and proceed with the setup. They will have instructional images that you just have to follow to pair up the key and your devices. Like I said, this is going to differ for every single vehicle manufacturer, so I cannot go over the process for every single one of them, but usually it is done on the mobile app. You will then be redirected into the Apple Wallet with all the details about the car, including the model and the key properly set up, and next thing you see, you will be able to use the Apple Wallet to automatically open the car. So this is all you have to do. Make sure you download the latest version of your car manufacturer's app and follow the instructions through there for your specific model of vehicle. I hope I was able to help you on how to add car key to your Apple Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.